Cowboy Chia Vietnam. What's up, y'all? I'm at Con Market, one of the biggest real markets here in the city. This isn't a tourist trap. This isn't on market. This isn't Sun Trail Night Market. This is Chợ Con. Let's check it out. It's right in the heart of Hai Chow. All this hustle, all this bustle. You can buy all kinds of stuff, food court, all kinds of items. Let's see what they got up in. This whole outside area is filled with all kinds of different stuff. You got suitcases, you got a jewelry shop, you got some incense over here, you got some more tchotchkes over here. Price check on the backpack. North Face backpack, $15, 150K. What you talking about? Probably get that down to about 120. 120K? 120? 120? Good smoke and a drink. Get you a coconut. Get you something to sip on. It's all out here. Everybody chilling. Big thing. They smoke tobacco out of these things. I know what it looks like, but they smoke tobacco out of them. I'm for real. I ain't playing with y'all. See, they got the vibe over here. Come get you a Bluetooth speaker, get you a kettle, get something for your phone. Ciao, eh? Marlboro? How much for Marlboro? How much? Bao nhiêu? Yeah. Show me. We're pricing a carton of Marlboros over here. See what's up with that. $280K? Not a bad price. Not a bad price. Cảm ơn chị. I don't smoke. TikTok. Hang up light. Got another parking lot over here on this side. This is where I usually park my scooter because I come in from Sun Trail. 5K, by the way. 5K, which is all of $1 US quarter to park your scooter. Attendant's gonna watch it. A man right there. You got the money. You gotta mark your bike, give you a ticket, and keep it moving. Karaoke kind of a religion here. It's a big deal. Always some karaoke. Love me some karaoke. People out here selling different tchotchkes right on the front. You got snacks over here on this side. You got all kinds of fresh fruit in the middle. Ciao, eh? You got grapes. You got some beautiful peppers. These are oranges right here. The oranges are green here. It's called cam. Got some logan. All kinds of stuff. Dragon fruit, one of my favorite. Dragon fruit. These are about 2 for $1, pretty much on the regs. About 2 for $1 with a dragon fruit. Tabachio. Got some mangoes. All reasonably priced. You can get that for pennies on the dollar. Now check this out. It's a mishmash of everything. We got Crocs. We got snacks. We got some stuffed animals over here. A lot of kitchen stuff. I came over the other day and for about 10 bucks, I got my whole kitchen set up. All this stuff is pennies on the dollar. $1 for coffee cups, $1 for strainers, $1 a holler. The place to come to set your crib up. The Go-Mart across the street I showed you at the beginning of this clip, rob you blind. Get the same stuff over here for pennies on the dollar. Pennies on the dollar. They got clothes for days. You want some jammies for your kids? My girl got them right here. Y'all want a Lilo and Stitch onesie? $2. Not too bad. Talk about 70 for a magnetic iPhone case. That ain't bad. $3 over here. That's gonna get you for a 20 piece in the state. Very nice. More house stuff over here. I think this is where I came. I got me a coffee cup and some stuff over here the other day. Good prices, all like right on point. And like I said, haggle all day and twice on Sunday. Get you glasses, glass for $1. $1 a holler here in the market. You want some garlic? Get it by the bag here. They ain't even playing with it. These peppers right here, watch out. Them red peppers right there will light you up. Nom does not begin to say what those are. Those are hot. Them red ones are hot. They're dangerous. They're dangerous peppers. Fresh fruit, fresh vegetables. Pennies on the dollar. Pennies on the dollar, y'all. You see the food court goes back for a bit. They got quite a bit. If you want dried goods and snacks, they got them over here. All right, so for a dozen roses, you're looking at like 100K. That's like $4. That's pretty nice. I gotta find a girlfriend. I gotta find an MU first, and I'll come back. Cavanti. I'll find an MU, you guys, and I'll be back with some flowers. MU Batoy. I'll find MU Batoy, then I'll come back for flowers. All right, you guys. We got the open spot back here, wide open. This is like old swat shop stuff. All down in the floor. All down in the floor. Pile of clothes picked through. Just like your vintage market. You want to shop vintage? This be the place to come. Got it all over the place. You got to go digging for it. But you want to find them bargains, you got to go digging. Off to the side, cups, dishes, everything. Fresh fruit over there. Literally, the market, you got stuff for days over here in Con Market. Hardware store right over there. Get you a padlock, some plastic wrap, or whatever else you need. They got you. They got you. Tons of clothes. Tons of clothes. Clothes for days. Girls' clothes, guys' clothes, shirts, shorts, button-downs, pants, dresses. Pretty much you name it, they got it. Yup, skirts, shorts, jeans, Crocs. It's all here, and it's all here for a good price, and it's negotiable. Remember, you got to haggle. If you don't haggle, you're getting played. If you don't haggle, you're getting played. There's two prices. Ciao, Cole. Ciao, Cole. Some pretty stuff over here. This probably look good on my girl Virgie. What do you think, baby girl? Love pastels, pinks and yellows. Yeah, look at this little thing. Little hippie princess wear. I love it. It's that cool corner where the kids shop. They got hoodies. Look at that. If you want to go up north, they got some wool jackets. You gotta go up north and get warm. Pretty cool. We back out here to the smoke shop again. That's what's up. Like I said, always a music and a vibe going. Dig it. I dig it.